Hi, I'm Bob Braunston to talk to you a little bit about Clearmatch. I'm here in a park on the southern tip of Lake Washington, not too far from Seattle. And I'm in a park for a special reason, and that's to talk about color. All of the colors that we see are made up of red, green, and blue. So much red, so much green, so much blue makes a particular color, reflection from that color. As a matter of fact, if you take those three colors of red, green, and blue of light and shine them right on top of one another, it turns pure white. Right off to the right of me is the Boeing plant where they make the 737. So you may hear some sounds and airplanes in the back and possibly some boats on the lake, but you'll know what that's about now. Clearmatch. People have indicated and said, made statements that Clearmatch really can't work. And why can't it work? How could you take any digital camera, and as long as it could take a clinical picture anyway, point it at a patient's teeth and be able to get all the shades? Well, I'm telling you, it does work, and it's extremely accurate. In Clearmatch, and this is the area that you see right now, we scanned in all of the shade guides. And as you can see on the line of the A2, up above where it says red, on the A2 line it says 243. On the green it's 220, and the blue is 164. Well, Clearmatch knows what all of the shades are supposed to be. We scan the shades, put them into Clearmatch, and that's not only for the regular Vita Classic, but it's for Avante, Chromoscope, Noritake. Just about all the main standards are there in the software, as well as the value of those shades. So basically, what we've done is scanned in all of the shades, put it into the software, and Clearmatch knows what the shades are supposed to be, not necessarily what they are in the picture. All cameras have different color characteristics. Not only that, the light, the color within the room. We may have a room with a blue wall, another one with a green wall, and all of these colors are reflecting off the walls. But here's how Clearmatch works. When the picture is taken, there's one or two shade tabs of a known reference that are in, and that's what I'm going to show you right now, and that's what this is, along with black and white. And this is being shown in the picture along with the clinical picture that is taken of the patient. In the software itself, there's a button that says Set White Reference. When you click on this button, the cursor turns into a square, and you go onto the white that is seen in the picture from the white that's here, and you click on it. And when you click on it, the program then reads the white that is in the picture. And the program knows what this white is supposed to be, and not all whites are the same, but it knows what this white is. If the white in the picture is any different what the program knows it's supposed to be, the program color corrects the picture's white. Then the next button says Set Black Reference. You just put the cursor onto that, click the button. Again, the cursor turns into a little square, and you go to the black, and you click on it, and that's the gamma, or the black level. And again, not all blacks are the same, but Clearmatch knows what this black is supposed to be. If the black is any different than what the program knows that it's supposed to be, the program will color correct the black. Next is the Shade tab. And it's a known reference shade tab that's in there, and it does not have to be the shade that matches the patient's teeth, although it can be. So again, we gave reference before for the A2. So let's pretend that the patient is a C4, but we've got an A2 shade tab. The third button says Set Reference, and that's the shade tab. What you do is you just click on that button, you go right to the sweet spot, right to the middle of the shade tab, click on it, and a window opens for that standard that you're using. And it says, what shade are you using? Select it. And that's all you do is select an A2 and OK. If the A2 in the picture isn't exactly what the A2 is supposed to be by those RGBs within the program, Clearmatch color corrects that A2 shade tab to exactly what an A2 is supposed to be. Once that's done, you just click on Shade Map and all of the colors just appear. A map appears where you could just click on it. It'll say it's an A2, C3, B2, D3, any shade, it'll tell you exactly what the shade is. And that's basically how Clearmatch works and how accurate it is.